Maraming nagbebenta. Ito ang itsura niya sa likod. Ang ganda ng architecture. Parang plus, ano yung Korean Museum. Shops. Butcher's Bakery. So, ayan guys, bumaba na kami dito sa town center. And as you can see, yung mga building dito is ganyan ang itsura niya. Pupunta kami ng museum. Ayan.
Ito yung town center?
Pagpasok mo, ganyan.
Ang oras ba yung ano? Alas 10?
Alas 10. So, ayan. Kakaamoy na kami ng pagkain. Mga pub. Cafe.
Anybody there? Anybody there?
Anybody there?
Anybody there?
Yes.
No. Look!
Yes.
So
What's that? That's flags. Who's that? Who's that?
Chloe, Spider-Man, and Sonic.
Sonic.
I want to buy Sonic bag.
Sonic bag? You have a lot of bags pa dun. Come on.
Oh, please. I want to Sonic bag.
So may pa-market dito guys. Yes baby. What do you want? Don't shout.
No!
So maraming benta.
Daddy, come on, please. Dad! Come on!
That's America. What's that?
Maraming nagbebenta. Street market. Yan. Then yung church. Anong church kaya to? So this is Cirencester War. So ang laki ng church. Sa harap niya is yung mga nagbebenta lang. Ah, that's Abby. So ganito ang itsura niya sa likod. Ayan. So yun yung entrance doon. So St. John, yun nga, St. John Baptist. St. John Baptist Cirencester. Ah, pwede.
5, 6, 7.
Yan. Welcome to the Parish Church. And Abbey Grounds. So, pasok tayo. So, ang lawak niya. So, ganyan din siya sa likod. Ayan, maraming pa flowers. Jumping! Go sit down here. Let's eat banana na. Mama is hungry. Daddy, can I have the food? Ayan, pasok tayo dito sa church. Ay, meron pala dito. Tingnan mo, oh. Ang ganda ng architecture. Parang cluster lang din na ano, church.
Small door.
This is the small door. No food or drinks. Can we have water? Inside, go on. Let's go. Just like Gloucester. Look, it's so nice. Come on now. My? Come on. Ay, sorry. Oh. Ah, it's playing. Oh. Yeah. Look at lang architecture. Mahulog na yung cellphone ko. activity yung mga bata, little ones. Ang ganda ng church na to.
So this minimum 5 pounds pala.
5 pounds. Meron kang 5 pounds na. Yung paper.
Wag. May minimum pala dito.
May minimum na donation.
Yan yung naayaw ni Jesus Christ. If you want to give. Bye-bye. Good job. Balik ka na. Good job. Balik ka pang ska.
May pa-shop sila dito oh. Baka may Bible dito din na bata. Bible na pang bata.
12 pounds. 12 pounds.
Heroes and heroines. Si ano
Heroes and...
Si Samson.
Where is it? This one. Heroes and...
May pa-shop sila dito. Baka may Bible sila na pang bata. Everyday by study Bible. Dada, tingnan mo to oh. Daddy oh. Yung Faith, Hope, and Love. Magkano yan? Yan, Faith, Hope, and Love. Na frame.
Diba,
I can do all things. Ito. Just trust in the Lord. Cross of Run. Amazing Grace. May pa-cross pa sila dito. May binibenta sila dito, guys. Jesus loves you, nak, oh. Bendy.
You can buy this one. Choose one. What do you want? This is 1.50. Jesus loves you. Choose the color. That's the ball. It's one of people you can sit down like this. Jesus loves you. What's that?
Ito pa yung sa loob. Sa taas niya. Sigaw na. So, meron bang kinita dito, guys, napapasok. Kasi pupunta tayo ng The Museum. So, ito yung itsura niya. Yan yung church na kung saan tayo galing. Yan, ayan na yung kanto. So, ayan na yung Corinium Museum. Saan tayo papasok? Nandiyan si Dada. Ilan yung ano? Ilan yung entrance? Ah, water.
8 adult.
Ah, may entrance.
22. 8 at 8, 16.
Under 5, 16. So, pasok na tayo, guys. Ang bayad namin 16. Kami lang ni Dada. Oh, stones.
Used before because knife, because they didn't have
Knife
before, so they use
stones to cut the meat.
They use that shoot like arrows.
Early farmers, builders. Long Barrow Settlement. What's inside? This display is part of the ancient burial site. Where they buried.
Adrian.
Can you open this one? I sorry. What I'm going to do is making a You can play that one now, the laptop. Done. Touch to start. Yeah. Baker's Balls and Bones. Bones of Oxford. Crafts and technology, horse and handles. What is that, baby?
It's the dinosaur bones.
No. Skeleton. What's that? No. Robots. Go. Small Nipa hut. You sit down there. You sit down there. Come on. Picture. Smile. Yes.
Nipa.
It's outside. Smile, guys. Ideal.
Dad, I want to go home now.
Tingnan niyo. Shops. Butchers, bakers, cutters. Tingnan niyo, parang meat. Coins. Before. Parang totoo talagang tao. Meats. Capital. Public buildings. What animal? Horse. Oh, say put the clay. Where's the glass?
Glass?
Oh, where you can put that?
I'm not sure.
So, galing tayo doon. Yan, Roman recipes. So, merong nagkukuk dyan. Kusina dati. Ito, keep one.
Go home now.
Hindi pa natatapos eh.
Go in.
Hindi natapos dito eh.
Meron pa sa taas, oh.
Kaya ano, ano natapos?
Lift to upper room, stairs, upper room. So, lumabas na kami sa museum, guys. Kasi yung batang makulit sinasabi na going home na daw. So, ayan. Go home na kami. Pero kakain muna kami kasi mag-11 na. May baon naman kami. So, kakain lang muna namin. Punta muna kami sa bus stop. Kung saan kami maghihintay ng bus para malaman kung timing. Kung anong oras kami pupunta doon. So, ayan. So, yun guys, umuwi na lang kami kasi wala naman kami pupuntahan pa na iba. So, doon na lang kami kakain. Hindi na namin nakain yung baon namin. So, dito na kami sa bus. Pauwi na. What do you eat?
Easter bunny egg.
Okay, Easter bunny egg. So, yan. See you house. So, andito na kami ngayon sa High Street, guys. Nakababa kami ng around 11 o'clock. Pero, kumain muna kami sa canteen ng hospital. Pero, bili muna ako ng sabon panglaba. So, ayan, pang scrub sa puwet ng kaldero. Panglaba 3 pounds. So, moisturizer ni Adrian. Babayaran natin siya. So, guys, dito na kami sa bahay. Nakakarating lang namin. So, yun ang aming ganap for today's video. Salamat sa inyong pagsama and see you on our next one. Bye-bye. God bless.